Welcome back to Drive Vault, where we geek out over everything on wheels that lets you live your best road life. Today we're diving into the game changer that's got the RV world buzzing, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome. Yeah, you heard that right. Toyota, the kings of reliable rides, just dropped this beauty. And it's like they took everything we love about camping, cranked it to luxury levels, and wrapped it in that unbeatable Toyota toughness. I've been poring over these fresh shots, and trust me, this isn't just a camper. It's your ticket to freedom on four wheels. Let's roll through why this thing is about to steal your heart. Picture this. You're pulling up to that hidden beach spot or mountain overlook, and heads are turning. The exterior design on this 2026 Toyota? Pure eye candy. It's built on Toyota's rock-solid Pro Ace platform, but they've given it this sleek, modern vibe that's equal parts adventure rig and showroom stunner. That crisp white body with those flowing orange accents? It's like the van got a designer makeover. Subtle curves that scream sophistication without shouting. And check out the pop-top roof. It lifts up smooth as butter for extra headroom when you're chilling inside or stargazing from your private loft. There's even a powered awning that rolls out at the touch of a button, shading your outdoor kitchen setup while you grill up dinner with an ocean view. Oh, and the rear? They've mounted a spare tire right on the tailgate for that off-road ready look, plus a built-in bike rack, because, let's face it, who wants to leave the fun behind? It's compact enough to weave through city streets, about 20 feet long, but tough enough for gravel roads that'd make lesser vans cry uncle. Toyota nailed the balance here. It's not some bulky beast. It's your agile escape pod. Now, slide that door open. Man, the interior is where this motorhome really sings. Step in, and it's like walking into a cozy Scandinavian cabin on steroids. Swivel those front captain's chairs around, and you've got instant lounge seating for four, facing a clever wooden dinette table that folds away when you don't need it. The wood tones? Warm oak finishes everywhere, paired with soft LED lighting that dims for movie nights or brightens for breakfast spreads. And speaking of eats, the kitchenette is a dream. Compact, but loaded. You've got a sleek stainless sink with a pull-out faucet, a two-burner gas stove tucked under a flip-up counter, a microwave up top, and a full-size fridge that keeps your craft beers frosty without eating into space. Drawers pull out smooth with those orange accents peeking through. And there's even a little spice rack built right in. It's also intuitive. You could whip up pasta for two while bumping your favorite playlist from the integrated sound system. But wait, it gets better. Head aft, and the bedroom setup is pure magic. A queen-size bed slides out transverse across the back, piled high with plush linens and storage underneath for all your gear. Skylights overhead flood it with natural light by day, and at night, those blackout shades drop for uninterrupted Z's. No more contorting on a bench. This is real comfort for real dreamers. And don't get me started on the bathroom. It's a wet room wonder in such a tight package. Separate shower area with a rainfall head, a compact porcelain throne, and a vanity sink with mirrored cabinet for your essentials. Towel racks, ambient lighting, the works. It's like they shrunk a five-star hotel spa and made it road-proof. Ventilation fans keep things fresh, and the whole thing's got that easy clean gel coat finish. For a van this size, sleeping too comfortably with room for gear, it's genius. All right, let's talk power, because no motorhome's complete without an engine that matches the vibe. Toyota's going hybrid here, folks, blending their legendary reliability with eco-smarts that won't leave you stranded at a pump. Under the hood, it's a 2.0-liter hybrid setup. Think smooth electric assist kicking in for city sips, and that gas punch for highway hauls. We're looking at around 200 horsepower total, with torque that feels effortless, towing a small trailer if you want to level up your setup. Fuel economy? Easily 30-plus miles per gallon combined. which means fewer stops and more miles under those tires. And performance-wise, it's nimble. 0 to 60 in under 10 seconds. Stable handling thanks to Toyota's safety suite, with adaptive cruise, lane keep, and blind spot alerts. Off-road? Not a hardcore 4x4, but with optional all-wheel drive and higher ground clearance, it'll tackle light trails without breaking a sweat. It's the kind of drive that makes long hauls feel like a joyride, not a chore. Now, the moment we all whisper about over campfire coffee. Pricing. Starting at about $58,000 for the base trim, it scales up to around $72,000 loaded with extras like solar panels for off-grid power, a bigger battery bank, and that premium audio. Yeah, it's an investment, but break it down. Cheaper than a brick-and-mortar tiny home, and you've got Toyota's 7-year warranty backing it up. Financing options are rolling out, and early birds are snagging incentives for the hybrid tech. Compared to the competition, it's punching way above its weight. More features, better efficiency, and that Toyota resale value that holds like glue. So, why is this the best motorhome hitting the roads in 2026? Because it's not just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Imagine ditching the 9-to-5 grind for spontaneous weekends in wine country or epic cross-country quests, all without sacrificing comfort or sanity. The hybrid heart keeps it green and wallet-friendly. The design turns heads and fits anywhere. And those interiors? They're built for memories. Lazy mornings with coffee in hand, sunset toasts with friends, or just you and the open road. Toyota didn't just build a camper, they built the future of freedom. If this has you itching to hit the road, drop a like if you're Team Toyota all the way, subscribe for more van life deep dives, and comment below. What's your dream first trip in this beast? Hit that bell so you don't miss the full tour when I get my hands on one. Thanks for riding along. Catch you on the flip side. Safe travels!